Hi, what's up guys, it's Tony here. So just a quick illustration. The music you hear from the background is coming from my radio, and that particular music is interfering with the audio in this video. And all I want to do right now is to get rid of that noise from the background. Okay, so let me apply one trick. And that noise is gone. Can you guys hear me right now? That noise you hear from the background is totally gone. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to eliminate background noises from your video. If you're a content creator, if you're a course creator, if you're a video content creator, or you live in the noisiest cities in the world, such as Lagos, Nigeria, or any city in Africa at all, you will need this tutorial. So without wasting much of your time, let's get to the video. Okay, so before we get started, please, I would like you to do one thing for me. It's just a favor. Please leave a comment on YouTube on this video. Leave a comment, type hashtag Premiere Pro Tutorial. Please hashtag Premiere Pro Tutorial. This will help this video rank on YouTube. Okay, have you done that? Thank you so much. So let's get started. Okay, so guys, so this is how I did that. How to remove background music from your videos. So this is Adobe Premiere Pro. You should have this on your system. So if you don't have it, go to get into my PC to download it, okay, and install. So go to file, okay, go to file, go to new, go to project, then click on project, okay, then you name your project, remove background noise, okay. So you then click OK, and wait for it to load up. So we are trying to import. Okay, so this is what you see. Okay, this is not an Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial how to use it. Okay, so if you need that, chat me up. I have a video course that shows you around this software. Okay, so this click on editing tab. Okay, so let's go to editing tab. Okay, so this is it. So we go to where we saved the video clip we want to use and want to remove the background music. Okay, so this is it. Okay, we just drag it and drop it right over here. Okay, excuse me, right over here. Okay, sorry, this is not a video clip. I made a mistake. This is not a video clip. Okay, this is the video clip, I think. Okay, yes, this is the video clip. So I just drag this and have it in here. Okay, sorry, let me quickly delete all of this. So let's do this again. Go to the clip that I want to remove the background music, drag it and import it here, drop it on this space. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so here, so this clip will find where the sound is coming from. So let's just play this. Okay, the music you hear from the background is coming from my radio, and that particular music is okay. So it started from here, right? Okay, so we cut it. Then the music starts from here. The music you hear from the background is coming from my radio. So let's just see. Music is interfering with the audio in this video. And all I want to do. Okay, so you guys can hear there is a sound. That music is coming from the background. So this is what I want you to do. Go to this section, okay? Click on this bar, okay? Go to effects, okay? Click on effects, okay? Type denoiser, okay? Denoiser, okay? So when you type it in the effects, you see obsolete audio effect denoiser. Obsolete is like this is the old one, okay? So or the noise, okay? Denoiser or denoise, anyone. So I choose denoise. Denoise is the recent one, denoiser is the old one. So I use denoise, okay? I drag that effect, go to audio. This is like the down part of this clip, the audio down, not here, down, okay, and drop it. I just drop it, okay? Once I drop it, okay, I come this way, okay, this side, okay, you see an effect that is added, denoiser, okay? Can you see it? Sorry, can you see the effect that was added, denoiser? Okay, so all I need is for you to play this clip. I would like you to use an earpiece if you have, so you hear the noise well. Okay, so let's play this clip again. Music is interfering with the audio. Okay, so click on edit. All right, click on edit, the denoiser. Okay, so you move this pointer, move it to either above 50. Okay, once you move it above 50, then stop. Okay, let's go and listen to that audio again. Let's see if the background noise is gone. let's play it again. Click on here so it play your music.
Music is interfering with the audio in this video.
Okay, I can still hear it. So all I need to do is to click on edit and increase the effects more. Okay, so then click here, then play the audio again.
All I want to do right now is to get rid of that noise from the background. Okay, so let me apply one trick, and that noise is gone.
Okay, so can you guys see the noise is kind of fading? Okay, so I'll go to edit again, then push it up some more. Okay, push it up some more, then let's listen to it again to see if that music is gone.
Plus, music is interfering with the audio in this video, and all I want to do right now is to get rid of that noise from.
Okay, so can you guys see the music, although it's still, you can still hear it, but it's actually faint right now. Okay, so maybe I'll apply one more effect, although you guys don't have this, but let me just apply it and see. Okay,
background. Okay, so let me apply one trick, and that noise is gone. Can you guys hear me right now? That noise you hear.
Okay, so
with the audio in this video.
Okay, so I think that sounds better. Okay, this sounds better. So guys, you don't have to apply this audio preset because you don't have the pack. Okay, but the denoiser should do it for you. If there's any background noise like generator sounds or something like there is a noise at all in your video that is disturbing that you want to get rid of, this is how to do it. Okay, enjoy this particular tutorial. I will have to stop this video right now. Please, if you're not subscribed, please, I beg you, hit on that red subscribe button and also the bell notification icon so that whenever I drop a video, YouTube will notify you, be one of the first subscribers to be notified. Okay, so thank you. Share this video to your friends, leave a comment. Okay, I'll appreciate that. Leave a like also, please. I'll appreciate that. Okay, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.